This is the best product. This product name is COSRX Snail Mucin 96%. Power Repairing Essence 3.38 fl.oz. COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence 3.38 fl.oz are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence 3.38 fl.oz from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video about this item. The Real Snail Essence, formulated with 96.3% Snail Secretion Filtrate. This essence repairs and rejuvenates the skin from dryness and aging. It improves skin vitality by reducing dullness and soothing dehydrated skin. Simple yet effective lightweight essence. A lightweight essence which fastly absorbs into the skin and gives you a natural and healthy glow. Guarantees long-lasting hydration without heavy feeling on the skin. Key ingredient: Snail Secretion Filtrate contains mucin, an effective ingredient for enhanced moisturization. It instantly soothes damaged skin and delivers moisture deep into your skin. Perfect for dehydrated and damaged skin. No snails are harmed. Snail mucin is obtained in a safe and environmentally friendly way in a favored environment of snails, and then processed as a cosmetic material. 100% natural, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested. COSRX standards. All COSRX products are formulated with skin-friendly ingredients that alleviate irritated skin. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, animal testing free, parabens free, sulfates free, phthalates free. Please inform that the expiration date on the product is written in the South Korean format, which goes by year-month date. yy.mm.dd. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find the product links.